This is the story of a world that sleepwalked into destruction. A story of pride, fear, ambition, and mistakes so great, they reshaped the planet forever. Before the trenches, before the gas, before the millions of dead, there was tension. There was paranoia. There was a spark. This is Episode 1. The Road to War. Welcome to the Veil of Time. In the early 1900s, Europe was a continent of empires. Britain, Germany, France, Russia, Austria-Hungary, each one powerful, proud, and afraid of losing ground. Industrialization created new weapons. Colonial competition increased hatred. And behind closed doors, secret alliances formed, turning small disputes into global threats. The alliance system. The Triple Entente. Britain, France, Russia. These three powers did not trust each other, but they feared Germany more. The Triple Alliance. Germany, Austria-Hungary. Italy later leaves. Germany believed it was surrounded. Austria-Hungary feared its own collapse. Italy saw an opportunity to rise. This alliance system was a loaded gun, and Europe kept adding bullets.
This alliance system was a loaded gun, and Europe kept adding bullets.
The German problem. Germany was the rising giant of Europe. In 1871, it unified into a powerful empire, and within 40 years, it became the world's leading industrial machine. Military buildup. Naval rivalry with Britain. Kaiser Wilhelm II's aggressive foreign policy.
Germany wanted its place in the sun, but the world was not willing to give it.
The Balkans, the powder keg. The Balkans were Europe's most dangerous region. Empires fought for influence. Nationalist movements fought for independence. Every year, the tensions grew. Serbia's rise. Austria-Hungary's fear. Russia's protection of Slavs. Ottoman Empire collapsing.
In this boiling chaos, one spark could ignite the world.
June 28, 1914. Archduke Franz Ferdinand visits Sarajevo. A young Serbian nationalist, Gavrilo Princip, waits with a pistol. The heir to the Austro-Hungarian throne is dead. But this was not just an assassination. It was a match dropped into a room full of dynamite. Austria's ultimatum to Serbia. Demand list. Purpose: provoke war. Serbia partially accepts. Germany's blank check. Kaiser Wilhelm II promised Austria, "Whatever you do, we will support you." This was the moment Germany committed to war, before war even began.
Er lämpen Stadtrat. Vad you lämpen the plastio with imla enshi bessa for a steg.
Whatever you do, we will support you.
Russia mobilizes. Russia could not abandon Serbia. For Russia, this was about pride, influence, and survival. The domino effect. Austria declares war on Serbia. Russia mobilizes. Germany declares war on Russia. Germany invades Belgium. Britain declares war on Germany. France enters war. The alliances worked like a chain reaction. A local conflict became a continental war, and the continent's war became a world war. The world joins in. Ottoman Empire enters. Japan enters. Colonies provide soldiers. Global battlefronts open. This was no longer a European war. It was a world war, fought on every ocean, every desert, every colony.
It was no longer a European war. It was a world war, fought on every ocean, every desert, every colony.
The world before the trenches. By August 1914, millions of men marched to the front. They expected victory before Christmas. They were wrong. The world was about to experience horrors never seen before. Machine guns. Poison gas. Trenches stretching from Belgium to Switzerland. Episode 1 ends here. Next episode. The First Blood. The battles that shattered the old world.